If you keep doom scrolling, watching productivity videos, and still doing nothing with your life, this is for you. The truth is simple: you do not have a motivation problem, you have a discipline problem. And if you do not fix it now, 5 years will pass and you will still be exactly where you are today. So here are the 5 steps to break the cycle. Step 1. Track everything. Most people fail because they have no idea how badly they waste their time. They think they had a productive day, but when they track it, reality hits hard. 4 hours on the phone, 2 hours procrastinating, and maybe 30 minutes of real work. Track your wake-up time, sleep, calories, workouts, screen time, and hours worked. Because once your habits become visible, your excuses disappear. Step 2. Protect your streak. Stop chasing perfection and start chasing consistency. Split your tasks into 2 categories: negotiables and non-negotiables. Non-negotiables are the things that happen no matter what, like gym, deep work, reading, or building your future. If you complete 90% of them, the day counts as a win. Because once you build a streak, your brain starts hating the idea of breaking it. Step 3. Stop waiting to feel ready. This is the lie destroying your life: I'll start when I feel motivated. No, you won't. Motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. Winners do not wait for feelings, they act despite them. Ask yourself this: if your life depended on finishing the task right now, would you still feel unready? Of course not. You would do it instantly. Which means readiness is not the problem. Avoiding discomfort is. Step 4. Rebuild your identity. Most people stay lazy because they believe they are lazy. They say things like, "I'm not disciplined," or "I've always struggled with focus." That belief becomes your prison. Your actions always follow your identity. So change the belief. Tell yourself, "I am disciplined. I finish what I start. I do hard things." Then prove it with action, because every disciplined action is evidence for your new identity. Step 5. Use your anger. Think about everyone who doubted you, everyone who underestimated you, everyone who treated you like you were average. Remember how that felt, then use it. Turn humiliation into hunger. Turn pain into pressure. Turn anger into output. Because sometimes the strongest fuel in the world is having something to prove. And here is the truth nobody wants to hear: nobody is coming to save you. No perfect moment is coming. No magical wave of motivation is on the way. Your future is being built by what you do today, not by what you plan to do tomorrow. So decide right now. Keep scrolling, keep delaying, keep wasting your potential, or lock in. Follow this for the next 7 days, and your life will start changing faster than you expect. Start now.